In this informative and empowering video, we explore Dave Ramsey's time-tested 7 baby steps to wealth, updated for the year 2023. Join us as we delve into each step, providing valuable insights and practical strategies to help you achieve financial independence. From creating a budget and getting out of debt to investing wisely and building wealth, Dave Ramsey's proven principles will guide you towards a stronger financial future. Discover the power of an emergency fund, learn how to tackle debt strategically, and explore investment options that align with your goals. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to fine-tune your financial plan, this video equips you with the knowledge and tools to make informed decisions and take control of your financial destiny. Don't miss this opportunity to gain financial freedom and pave the way to a prosperous future. Tune in now and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Step 1. Save $1,000 for an emergency fund. This initial step is about creating a basic emergency fund of $1,000. The purpose is to provide a small cushion to handle unexpected expenses that may come up, such as a car repair or a minor medical bill. This fund acts as a financial safety net, helping you avoid going into debt for small emergencies and providing a sense of security. Step 2. Pay off all debt except the mortgage. In this step, the focus is on becoming debt-free, excluding your mortgage. List all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, car loans, and personal loans, and prioritize them from smallest to largest. Use the debt snowball method, where you pay minimum payments on all debts except the smallest one. Put extra money toward the smallest debt until it is completely paid off, and then move on to the next debt. This method helps build momentum and motivation as you see debts being eliminated one by one. Step 3. Build a fully funded emergency fund. Once you are debt-free, except for your mortgage, the next step is to build a fully funded emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of essential living expenses. It acts as a financial safety net during major life events like job loss or medical emergencies. Calculate your monthly expenses, example, housing, utilities, food, transportation, and multiply that amount by the number of months you want to save for. Direct your savings towards this fund until it reaches the desired level. Step 4. Invest 15% of household income for retirement. Now that you have tackled debt and established an emergency fund, it's time to focus on saving for retirement. Allocate 15% of your household income towards retirement savings. This can be done through employer-sponsored retirement plans, like a 401k or 403b, or individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions available to you. By consistently investing a percentage of your income, you allow compound interest to work in your favor, building wealth over time. Step 5. Save for college expenses. If you have children and want to help fund their education, this step focuses on saving for college expenses. Consider opening a 529 college savings plan or other education savings accounts. Research and choose the best option for your circumstances. Contribute regularly to these accounts to accumulate funds for your children's future educational needs. Starting early and making consistent contributions can significantly reduce the burden of student loans when the time comes. Step 6. Pay off the mortgage. Step 6 is all about becoming completely debt-free, including paying off your mortgage. Devote any extra funds to paying down your mortgage principal. Consider using the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to accelerate the process. Becoming mortgage-free not only saves you a significant amount of money in interest payments, but also provides peace of mind and greater financial flexibility. Step 7. Build wealth and give. The final step focuses on building wealth and giving back. Invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other assets to grow your wealth over time. Continue to educate yourself about investing and seek professional advice if needed. Additionally, prioritize giving generously to charitable causes that align with your values. This step emphasizes the importance of using your financial resources to make a positive impact on others and find fulfillment beyond material wealth. By diligently following these 7 steps, you can take control of your finances, eliminate debt, build savings, and work towards achieving financial independence and wealth. Remember, it requires discipline, patience, and consistent effort, but the long-term benefits are worth it. As we conclude this video exploring Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps to wealth for 2023, remember that financial freedom is within your reach. By implementing these steps, you are embarking on a transformative journey toward a secure and prosperous future. Stay committed to your goals, stay focused on your financial plan, and stay determined to overcome any challenges that may come your way. Celebrate each milestone along the way, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings target. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. With Dave Ramsey's principles as your guide, you have the tools to take control of your finances, build wealth, and make a lasting impact on your life and the lives of others. The path to financial independence may not always be easy, but the rewards are immeasurable. We encourage you to share this video with others, spread the knowledge, and inspire those around you to take charge of their financial well-being. Together, we can create a community of empowered individuals working towards a brighter and more prosperous future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. May you find success, peace, and fulfillment as you embrace Dave Ramsey's 7 baby steps and unlock the door to financial freedom. Remember, you have the power to shape your financial destiny. Now, go out there and make it happen. Wishing you all the best on your path to financial success.